welcome back. So I'm on my way to the bridge of Castle. It is one of the most prominent places here in Tartu. So the old school way, I have my map. I am walking towards the bridge. I'll see you guys when I reach there. Yes, so that bridge that you guys are seeing there is called the Bridge of Castle. So this is, as I said, one of the most prominent places in Tartu. If you kind of Google Tartu, I think this is the first thing that they show you in images. So this is a pedestrian bridge. It was manufactured in around 1957 to 1959. So before this, they had rowboats to transport people from the city center to another district on this side. But later on, they had a bridge called the Bridge of Kivisild. That was destroyed in World War II, and so they came up with this new bridge. This was recently renovated, I think in 2017 it was renovated, and so we have a beautiful looking bridge now. And when it's night, so when there's dark, we kind of have light and sound show. They have light here which is synchronized with the town hall bells, and so it's a beautiful treat. But unfortunately now we are nearing to the midsummer, and so night is kind of only in the dreams. So I don't know if that still happens here, but one day we'll be witnessing that too. And yeah, as you see here in the frame, there's also cruise rides in this river. This is the Imayogi River, and I don't know if I pronounced that right, but excuse me if I'm wrong. Remember in my last vlog, I kind of came here to get my bus card done. So this is the very same place. I didn't venture into the center, but right now we are in the city center. Clip, you guys have noticed that there was a monument somewhere right there. It's called the Statue of Kissing Students. So from this board right here, I understand that so one rainy day there were two students walking past the town hall, and it started raining. The guy opened his umbrella up and they kind of had a hug and a moment there, and the girl wished that this moment would last forever, and an arrow struck them from the heavens, and they're here now forever. It seems that from the umbrella there are red hearts falling down. So that's a legend. Cool to know. This house that you guys are seeing in this frame is actually the Tartu Art Museum. And if you closely notice, it's not straight. The house has a leaning structure, I should say. Yeah, so that's also cool. So this was the previous bridge that was in here. The bridge was demolished in the World War II. So after that, in 1957, they began the construction of this bridge, and now we have this beautiful walking bridge here. I have a very funny looking face, but then can't help. I have to protect myself from the virus and the sun. So that calls for a funny face. That's okay, but now we are walking towards the Victory Bridge. guys are seeing from here is where we are walking towards. It's called the Victory Bridge. Realization just struck me. You know what? The bridge that I was showing you guys, that is this bridge in the background, is not the Victory Bridge. This is called the Turusild. So I just realized the Victory Bridge is what we crossed in the time lapse. So that was the Victory Bridge, and that was built in 1957. So all this time I was thinking that was the Victory Bridge, which is wrong. So a poor little traveler not knowing much about the city, excuse me for all the mistake that I've made. But so that was the Victory Bridge, and this bridge that we're seeing here, or which we're going to see now, is called the Turusild. That was built in 2007 or 2008, and this is one bridge that connects the old market or the outdoor market to Annelen, which is the other part of the bridge. So small correction, excuse me all the native people who are watching this vlog, I'm so sorry. Okay, so we're kind of at the other end of the Turusild bridge, and they have a makeshift beach situation here because Tartu doesn't own a sea for itself. There's no access to a sea, so they have a makeshift beach in here. But this is the bridge that we are speaking about. So that was all about today's video, guys. I have to go to a supermarket and get some staples for the next week ahead. So thank you for joining along with me, and I appreciate you guys, all of you who have been giving me feedback about the vlog. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.